सूरत इंदौर के बाद कांग्रेस को एक और बड़ा झटका लगा है। दरअसल उड़ीसा की हॉट सीट यानी पुरी लोकसभा सीट से कांग्रेस उम्मीदवार सुचारिता मोहंती ने चुनाव लड़ने से इनकार कर दिया है। मोहंती ने आरोप लगाया है कि पार्टी उन्हें आर्थिक तौर पर चुनाव लड़ने में कोई मदद नहीं कर रही है। उन्होंने कहा कि पार्टी द्वारा चुनाव में मिलने वाली फंडिंग के बगैर चुनाव प्रचार करना मेरे लिए असंभव है। यही कारण है कि चुनाव लड़ने से मैं मना कर रही हूं। बता दें, सुचारिता मोहंती ने फंडिंग न मिलने को लेकर बहुत नाराजगी जताई है। इस बाबत उन्होंने अपना लोकसभा टिकट भी लौटा दिया। बता दें, पुरी लोकसभा सीट से भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने संबित पात्रा को उम्मीदवार बनाया है। कांग्रेस महासचिव केसी वेणुगोपाल को लिखे गए पत्र में सुचारिता मोहंती ने कहा कि पुरी संसदीय क्षेत्र में हमारा चुनावी कैंपेन पूरी तरह से प्रभावित हुआ है। इसके पीछे यही कारण है कि मुझे पार्टी की तरफ से चुनाव कैंपेन के लिए फंडिंग देने से इनकार कर दिया गया। इसको लेकर उड़ीसा कांग्रेस के प्रभारी डॉक्टर अजय कुमार ने बताया कि उन्हें कहा गया था इसका इंतजाम खुद कर लीजिए। सुचारिता मोहंती ने और क्या कहा, आप खुद सुनिए।
No, I haven't denied. Party had given me the ticket, but I returned the ticket because party was not able to fund me. Then another reason is in my 7 assembly segments, in some of the seats, winnable candidates haven't been given the ticket. Instead, some weak candidates have got the ticket. So it was not possible for me to campaign with these two conditions.
And what was the response? Any response from K.C. Venugopal and any discussion with you after your giving lecture?
No, there is no like if there would have been any positive response, I wouldn't have returned my ticket. Obviously, there is no positive response as such.
And what was any discussion with Ajay Kumar? What Ajay Kumar told you?
And he had told me categorically that I have to organize my own resources. The party can't fund me.
Yeah, Ajay Kumar, State Odisha.
Yes.
And any other discussion?
No other discussion. I had asked for change of some of the candidates who are weak. I wanted better candidates. That also didn't happen.
And Ajay Kumar, before you getting tickets, you discussed with Ajay Kumar details on that or not?
No. I don't think it is done in. I don't know about other parties. When you apply for a ticket, and I got the ticket in a very democratic way, our central leadership and state leadership both decided to give me the ticket because they thought I am winnable. My winnability is better than other candidates. And I did not, that time obviously I didn't discuss any funds and all that because it's normally, it's understood. The party candidates, party funds the candidates. But this time the situation is different. BJP government has put all kinds of curbs and restrictions on our accounts. Then even for the supporting the candidates, party is not able to do it wholeheartedly. They are finding it, they are under pressure, they are finding it difficult because of BJP government doesn't want Congress to put up a good campaign or win. This is very obvious. And so party is unable to support its candidates.
And you tried for donation also?
Yes. When I was told that I have to organize my own resources, so I thought of, I started one donation drive in my social media. And I knocked all doors if I could get some funds to sustain my campaign. But it didn't happen that way. It's not easy because the time is very limited. And then on top of it, I am contesting, 2 of my opponents are real money bags. So since I am contesting against them, I didn't want to compete with them with their vulgar display of money and power and all kinds of things which is not required. I wanted to have a simple campaign of my own, people-oriented, people-centric campaign. But even for that, you need basic funds. You just can't do your campaign just like that, no? Even I have to reach out to my voters. For that also, going there also I can't walk down and cover 7 constituencies in Padayatra. There is no time for that. I have to, then for nomination, for other things, technical reasons also, you need everything, social media, all kinds of things, you need money, basic money to contest, which I thought I won't able to manage. Party is not giving me and I am unable to manage on my own. So I thought this is the best decision.
So finally you will not contest election.
I have returned my ticket, obviously.
बता दें, इससे पहले सूरत और इंदौर में भी कुछ इस तरह की घटना देखने को मिली। इससे पहले इंदौर में कांग्रेस को झटका लगा था। दरअसल यहां से लोकसभा उम्मीदवार अक्षय कांति बम ने नामांकन वापस लेने के आखिरी दिन अपना पर्चा वापस ले लिया। इसके बाद वो भाजपा में शामिल हो गए। मध्य प्रदेश भाजपा ने अपने ट्विटर हैंडल में बताया कि इंदौर लोकसभा सीट के प्रत्याशी अक्षय बम ने अपना नामांकन वापस लिया है। इसके बाद मध्य प्रदेश के मंत्री और भाजपा नेता कैलाश विजयवर्गीय ने ट्वीट कर बताया कि अक्षय कांति बम भाजपा में शामिल हो गए हैं। ये कांग्रेस के लिए तीसरा बड़ा झटका है। लोकसभा चुनाव की 2 फेज की वोटिंग हो चुकी है, तीसरा फेज होने को है। इससे पहले कांग्रेस को बड़ा झटका लगा है। NBT ऑनलाइन की रिपोर्ट।